Your only place to hold on is probably just the strap.
The front too.
No, I want the right. We're fucked. A boat is getting broken tonight. I hope it's not mine.
You gotta be ready to bail if we start going towards that trailer hitch.
This is so retarded. This is so retarded.
Oh, tell Carter to open that little window. Carter!
I tried, it's frozen. All good?
Yes.
I got gloves at least.
Oh, I should have brought my gloves. This is so good. This is so good.
The puddles. Oh my god.
So nasty.
The sludge. Oh my god. We're sludging it.
That's so nasty.
You see this? Tell him to whip it.
Whip it. Wait. Oh shit.
Oh my god. This is awesome.
This is so sad.
Put your weight back a little more. I wish somebody would see this. Lay on your back. Turn it up. Oh, turn it up. Bro, Lil Peep is playing in my head right now. It's the fucking girl, let's watch the rain as it's falling down. Oh, this is our destination, by the way. He's probably gonna try to throw us off here. This is so fun. Carter! My head was going straight for this. I had to dive off it.
Damn, my bad.
This is so fun. Oh, you're doing great driving.
So I can't see anything. I can't even tell if you guys are still on or not.
Oh, I figured if I fail, Sam would just start slapping the window.
Well, I heard someone yell like, oh shit, I think it was you.
Dude, this is so fun. On everything, this is awesome. This is such a good idea.
Could I have gone faster, or is that like good?
Yeah, you go a little faster. You go a little faster.
Okay.
Let's tone it up step by step.
Okay.
But yeah, he can
Fucking strap.
he can go a little faster, right?
Oh yeah, I don't care. You can do whatever you want.
Okay, but can we move this pole?
Turn this bitch over.
Yo, the strap.
He's gonna go a little faster, so.
I don't care. Ow. Yes!
Just be ready to bail.
No, I don't bail. I lock it.
Well, like if we go, oh, okay, we're gonna
We're good.
hold on. Oh my god!
Best part of my life. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hold on. Hold on. This is so fun.
It's like a roller coaster, but there's like a flex in my face. Turn that up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you want to turn?
I figured that would happen eventually.
Dude, this is perfect speed.
This is perfect.
This is fun as fuck. I wish somebody would drive by and see us,
I know.
dude.
Okay, this is so
This is so fun. Are you having fun?
It is fun.
God, I wish someone would come see this.
This is so fun. This is so insanely fun. I love this show. Yes! Oh shit!
Oh, we're going into the truck. Oh no.
Fire, fire, fire. Oh, he's red.
Oh, he's good. He's clean with it.
Oh shit.
Dude, he's getting good at this.
Hey, this is so sick.
Oh my god. Oh, we're hitting the tire. Oh my god, no we're not. He's so good. He's so good. I want a car to come by and see this so bad.
So bad.
Look at the car just rotating. Oh, he's so goated. He's so goated. Oh god, oh god.
Trust it.
No, I'm braking with my foot.
Don't do that, you're gonna break your ankle.
Alright, what do you hold on to?
This.
This?
Yeah, hold this.
I can't see jack shit. Oh my gosh.
It's kind of just a pray and hope for the best.
Alright. Type shit.
It's okay. Broken bones are temporary. Fun is forever.
Oh shit.
It's so fun.
Final curtain. My friend. I'll say it clear. I'll state my case. I'm so dead. Oh shit! Oh shit, that was, ah, damn! Oh shit! Oh, dude, I'm trying to do a push-up. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. Okay, hold out! Oh shit!
Sorry about
Did you see
that.
how I do a push-up?
Yeah, I saw.
We were trying to do push-ups. Oh, it didn't work.
This is so fucking
This is so fun.
I should make it a little bit longer so if they fly forward, they just go in front of my truck.
And they wrap around and they hit the other front tire. Like,
I haven't bailed yet.
I'm gonna piss out of your truck bed. 'Cause that's-
Oh, dude, my hands are so cold right now. Oh my goodness.
Will I even be able to piss with how cold my dick's about to be?
Dude, Carter,
Chilling.
you should post all this shit on your YouTube channel.
I told them to.
Hell
Full
yeah.
montage.
Byway. My ass is so numb right now. Oh my god.
We're fine!
Oh shit. Oh, you just got that stop sign. Fuck!
What stop sign?
What stop sign? The one I got it! Sorry, cancel me. Cancel me.
Yes! Oh my god!
Dude, wait. The match is so fun.
What up?
Wait, give me that fucking helmet. Give me that fucking helmet. We gotta do it with the helmet. Because the helmet, we've been doing this. How fast did you go?
We got Dino in there.
Look, they're doing it right because they got the clubs and
You know who I got?
What up? You got the whip?
Sammy, can I see that helmet? Oh yeah.
That's sick. Wait.
Every person I've seen is
Look at Nick.
that shit hurts so bad.
We just lay down on this bench.
What the fuck? You getting on?
Just us two.
Oh, y'all all back off.
Alright.
This is gonna be.
Yeah, we sawed a hole in it to put the ratchet strap through. That's what the strings attached to.
We low key need it behind arms. You want to talk to me?
No, like this.
Go 50! Tell him to go faster! Faster!
We're good. It's still recording.